About our 3 team values of being supportive. So support your teammates, identify things that they're doing well on the field, talk to them and hype them up from the sideline. We talked about our idea of being competitive, when it is your turn to be on the field. Go play hard, play and do what you know you can do. And that may be just playing hard when you're out there. We're playing free, we're playing with joy. It's like we are out here because we love playing this sport, we love playing with this team. So we want to be able to have that joy while we're playing this game.
She was like, you have to come down.
Oh, okay.
Get out and play. Have a
I'm down to go anywhere else. I don't love you guys. We just don't have anywhere else.
Here we go, birds! Let's go, Goose! Put on the gas! Go.
Yes, Beaver! Free cut, go!
Go!
Under now! Not coming, Bucky!
That's your jack! That's your Bucky! Yes! Hey, looking balls!
Great cut!
Come here!
Too many deep!
Good
Drew!
Get Jonesy!
That's
your little!
Stay!
Yes!
On defense now! Find your person!
Under John. Nice and easy.
Yeah.
T2 now.
Watch Spade. Give it to you. All big John. All under John. All under. I'm sorry, Julia. You're hot.
Yes,
I thought that was it.
I wanted to hit the bar.
All right.
Full tilt. He was like 25. If you ever make me do full tilt, my energy's so much. It's like down, it's like slow.
Yes, nice, Maya. Love that.
Pucky.
Next, Maya, next.
Yeah, Pucky. Up. You're hot, Pucky. Tell me so fast.
Oh!
Reed!
Together! Oh no!
Let's go. Okay.
I didn't realize the fish looked spicy. I thought it was just going to keep and it floated off the clock.
We were working it up so well.
I made the cut.
Did you get your layout D yet?
No. Not on the slide. I want it. How are you? Oh yeah, Maya.
Ladle.
Mommy might be my baby. I was walking.
But I guess you didn't want the book game.
Oh, didn't want it. Felt too greedy.
Conservation of greatness, you can't have all the glory.
Come on!
Yeah, that makes sense.
How do we have
I know, right? It's so
I don't think it's a single. Maybe like Sonora and Dog.
What happened? Everybody look around confused.
genius.
We're so balanced.
I did. I watched 35%.
Nice. Good throw it, Maddie.
Elvis! Hunted or it doesn't count.
Walking. Let's go, Birds.
Hammer! Violation, it wasn't a hammer. Maddie! On the go! What? Ground strip? Violation, no talking on the sideline, Paul.
What about kissing?
Oh, that I can.
What about a little sensual
Baby
thing?
girl.
I've also not done
Too late, I've already done it.
Let's go, Birds. Ball.
Maddie, step up. I thought she just ran into
No, it was coming down, and I was going for it, and I stepped on her foot.
Like it's talking now?
I think there was like a ceiling and it was like, so I'm just
We're good.
That's tough. He is nice. I was sitting there, like shaded over it up, and he was beating. Hey, Sean, good roll there.
What's up?
Sideline!
Yeah, good time.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Come on, Birds.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Ball.
Come on, Birds. I feel like I'm in kindergarten. She just does something. Easy peasy.
Put on the gas, Keith.
Let's go, Birds!
Look at me too.
Rango, Carter Poach, Rango Flood. Alexis, you have to go in too.
Sarah, Annie, pick up!
Yes, Rango! Yes, Rango! That's my buddy!
That was a sick throw. Anyways, just know that you threw a very insane pretty drive. Brent and I were talking like, so
I don't know what you're talking about, so that's great.
we're gonna have to pull it up on film.
Yeah, please. Sorry.
Do it again.
She's always been crazy.
Use any sort of receiving or even
It's like, just yeah. All in the day's work.
Yeah.
Go Goose.
You any good peace songs?
Here we go, birds!
I don't feel so good.
Oh, yeah.
She did. And then she yeah. So like I hope she
She's got more than one, so we're Fireball! Throw a fireball! Let's do it! Hey, they're on niche! Play niche!
We can swing. They float up to like 20 yards.
Birds of a feather! Flock together! Andrew! Ari! Stitch! Santi! Maddie! Hockey! Alexis! Neo! Neo! Get out there! Get out there! Rango, I never said, but great catch. I feel like you didn't even really have to box out too bad. Like, I feel like it was kind of over you and you were able to just like...
Oh no.
Hey, girl. Layla, you were not just sticking your tongue out at me. Oh my goodness. This is
the way Dee does it.
this
Like,
is
how does it move?
this is how we divorce as tournament buddies.
Yeah, let it
I got really short tongue.
Yeah, it's a little awkward. It's gotta have it. It's gotta be its own thing, you know.
Yeah.
And
It doesn't got the movement. Doesn't have the motion of the lotion.
The ocean of the lotion of the
No,
lotion
Lynn has been saying lotion.
of the commotion. You did not just call daylight. Yeah, but we have so much daylight. Not the emo, not the Fortnite emotes.
Let's go, birds!
I know they do.
They're lucky I'm just throwing sports side from this team. I would be pulling out some Walker emotes here.
You're not looking too you're not looking.
Yeah, Puck is open.
Yeah, Abby! Get there, foot! Yeah, let's
Maddie's poach! Maddie's poach! I can't wait to watch it. You hate to see it.
Bucket!
Take a nice joint before you start watching.
I'll watch it.
Honestly, let's just put it away.
It's gonna be
it's gonna be great for my presets and those film stuff. You don't want to be on the I'll give it my friend. Okay. Yeah.
just like open side, you know.
Oh.
It's Brandon, Strengo. But
It's fine. It would have been, it would have been a question.
Oh no! I was in the end. Oh shit. I think I was, I don't know. Sometimes when you try to catch it, you're not as aggressive. I admit, happened. I was trying to get the Callahan, and I went to clap catch, and if I just went like this, or like that, I would have gotten the D. I didn't even do it. That's there you go.
Yeah, intentional.
yes.
Now I know, I'm friends with the guy. I know the guy who I was against.
Yeah, true.
That's one more.
Under limbo.
Yeah, Brendan!
Yeah, Brendan! Nice
Anyone from like and also
And someone's coach, Limbo.
I want to
Coach.
Call it,
It's
dog.
uncontested. Uncontested foul.
They've also taken
All right, go.
Hey, sideline!
Oh, good roll.
Oh my.
That's green!
That's the hammer, you were calling for it. Does that make you smile?
I mean, we'll take that. Blade hammer, or not blade, like line drive there. The face spike.
I heard it was loud.
And mind you, he's on like 2,000 milligrams of like Advil.
I haven't stopped. Every point I pop 2 more.
For real?
No.
I was getting.
That would be insane.
I am already worried. I was gonna get more worried.
Oh yeah.
I think that's a good
Ibuprofen
choice.
shot.
Take care, are you good?
Just crush it up, pour it in some cold man, just mix it up and take it to the edge.
And I was like, I went in. And someone was like, I'm just gonna do a little bit of another shot. We never
Let's go, Leda! Let's go, Bird! Let's go!
It's only if we can. So then, I can come back. Next person coming. I trust them every single time.
That was on video? Okay, do you think they can hear you?
Yeah, I think so. Actually, that's fine. I mean, I stand by what I said. It was a good end on set because it has to be fun. You don't like the Dutchman's right? Well, they just weren't on the hot team. Yeah, like I like them fine. Like we could do it. In that situation,
Django!
No way out!
Yeah, we did better. But
Yeah, like slide all that random love and you think he has, I think unfortunately.
yeah.
I don't really mind. We've only played about it 3 times, but sure, you feel like that's still better than. Come on.
Up! Up! Oh!
This is like old move caught and let's see if it pays off for him.
Wait, she called timeout?
You got one water guy?
It's not like his job. It's
whoever's nearest just goes and.
although there was a water guy. When he's throwing up, I think he gets this.
I don't mind to be quite honest.
He came over and told us all this.
Really?
I was gonna say he's often
Oh, he was really I think he's
most of the
he's
time.
had maybe one beer.
Oh, is that his beer? I was wondering.
No, he's not. He's not. There's no shot.
He hasn't eaten anything today.
Better call by Django.
Acknowledging the
Timeout, then throw the score.
Yeah, I know. What did she say?
Yeah.
I just don't know why did she? Which means it comes in the
I mean, if Django didn't notice, it would have been a score.
No shade. I'm just like I'm not on either team.
He's just an ultimate pundit, you know? He's Stephen
I don't even play in this game.
Oh my god, it's like war.
He's awesome.
I told us you were doing.
I am a little bit. I downed 2 beers in this game. It's so warm, it's so uncomfortable.
It's a shower.
You should fill one of them with
With all of our hands and just
yeah.
out all this.
Just to spray people.
So I have like a Rave Runner.
I don't think it's about Alex. It's about me. But also like.
Oh, you're doing Wave Runner this year? Their team is already so stacked though. We need to like balance out. Yeah.
Just have the best one.
It'll be fun.
As long as we don't all join one team, because I know if we get cooked by a elevate team, we're all just gonna be fucking pissed.
That's his floppy.
Let's talk about it.
Brendan on that.
Talking about it for a long time.
I want to go. That's why.
It's so hard not having lines and having no lines. Like, how does that even work? There is no line. I don't know.
Jillian. Where are all these FMPs that you think that we have in San Diego?
He was like, I was gonna have 7.
But they sent it back.
Seriously?
He said. And then I was like,
The
oh, maybe
We had that many FMPs in San Diego Gold Rush moving forward last year.
Well, I mean, he was going.
I know.
Hesse was going for it. Like, Hesse was going and those kids but
It's like a late lunch. If it's close to dinner,
Trying to brainstorm a cheer involving the beer.
Are we lining or are we lying? Yes, I guess the FMP line.
I was stressed. That was fun.
yeah, I feel like that was okay. And also G and then
That was basically
Yeah, you are. Yeah, you are. Yeah, you are.
sorry. no, thank you.
No, sorry. Yeah, it was a little confusing, but basically, like, if you're
Chris.
But I also only had 2 students, so I was like, as soon as you said this way, I was like, oh no.
That was my year. It's like 7 lines.
It's like 7 lines.
No, it's like Pike is small.
Get out! Get out! Get the fuck out of here!
Hey man, what are you saying in my captain?
I think you heard me. You were saying
Hey, I'm on the line. No. I was gonna.
oh, or in a round. I think you might have.
That's the one I left.
Just going to all those. You go from angry to happy. And then switch back to hey, what's your name?
Hey! Hey! There you go, birds!
The yelling one, like, hey, what's your name?
Ezekiel! Fuck you, Ezekiel! What's your name?
I forget what the other one's name is. I do too. But I always remember Ezekiel because it's such a.
Oh yeah, of course.
Guess what I did last night? Don't bring my mother into this. I built that fire over there. Oh. And then I fucked your mother by it. No!
Help me! Help me! Help me! That's you, Cash! That's you, Jack!
Normally he's like leading in D's. Leading in D's. Remember what I said? Leading this team.
we don't always run it.
That's so tough.
Your system is only for the sideline and I mean, there's no actual stuff. That's the point. There's no actual yes, there's not you're not doing a for always stuff in the back or
My aunt.
Hey, they're at
I don't remember if I was listening. I don't remember.
Hey, they're at game point anyways.
I was listening for you, Shu. So.
A lot of points left, baby. A lot of points left.
Is it the guy that's been spending like all that?
I think I'm done mentally, to be honest.
Yeah.
I was in the deep base with the other guy.
Right? I was just like, I'm setting up to one. I was pretty happy about that one. No, Jack. He split after the round. Yeah, after the like the best.
I'm okay.
The issue with X is it's different than
Get there, Goose! Get down there! Let's stay
but like we could
Alright! Alright! Hey, let's use it right there!
The other thing about when you're tired, you can rely on the system.
Come on, Bucky, lay out D here.
Not too deep, Cutter! Not too deep!
You're also not doing the mental part of it. Like, you start to slip a lot easier than you do that. That's just comparing and contrasting my kind of experiences. Maybe I'm wrong.
I mean, I played I understand what
You stop spreading the field, you stop doing the flow.
As someone who's like competitive, experience has been all X.
I think one of the issues is just that people don't quite know where or how to
Keep it there!
I'm not saying you can't.
Yeah, the times that like the things we're seeing, there's three people making the same or having the same space from any part of the field. So like there is still a conservation like it should happen.
I think of the exercise like doing the same, just be basically like it's a very powerful competition if you do it at the right time for the right place.
And I can't figure it out.
There, it was staked in, but it's just it's like it's
Like not
Should we lower it up?
I think maybe we should take off the look at
Maybe this one too. No, I think keep that one up. Keep that one up. Because it's pushing. Leave that one up. This one.
Yeah, Bucky!
Yeah, Bucky! Yeah, I think that's the.
this is not really.
Heavy drop! Heavy drop!
Back
Heavy
is
drop!
also not close to Sunny right now. Here we scored.
We're having a discussion about what.
Never mind. We were talking about it. We scored.
Hey, try point White!
Yeah, I didn't do the.
Good work, White!
The weak side person, you can tired and so
You're seeing the field and you're not necessarily. You don't probably even.
you don't have to look for the dip, you can help look for
Definitely!
have another system. I do agree with what you're saying. Is that like, if you're tired and X, there's not a motivation. We don't have a position anyway. You can just keep thinking that someone's going to be the person.
Come on, birds! Come on, birds!
Yeah, Baki. I didn't see what you did, but I heard your name.
Hey, I'm the master.
stuck it. Crazy.
We were trying to catch this tense.
Sideline! Give me a G! Oh! 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 Oh!
Gonna go offline, gotta go offline, no! Go offline, Jingo, yes! Good shot, Bennett.
Oh,
Caliber!
dominator.
Jingo up! In. Around. In. No offline, Jingo!
Use it.
Beginning of the comeback right there.
Oh, yeah.
Same, line it up.
I would do it for the yeah, they're strong.
My bad.
God damn it.
Hey, way to try to like switch and stuff like that. It'll you help.
Great.